Yes guys, today I have come at JK Tyres for installation of TPMS, and this place is located at Himayatnagar Liberty Center, and their godown is located at that place where they have many various kinds of branded tires like Yokohama, Apollo, Bridgestone, Michelin, etc. And they are also the authorized dealers of JK Tyres. And you can see my vehicle, it is actually parked over there and the TPMS work is going on. And I bet you guys you can't get any cheaper than this. And I'm going to share you the price from the dealer himself. And if you are from Hyderabad, Telangana or else Secunderabad or nearby, do definitely visit here and go for TPS installation from this place. It's really cheaper and you will be surprised to know. Definitely you will be surprised to know. The name of the showroom is ADHI Tyres. You can Google it. It's located at Himayatnagar Liberty Center. So guys, let's go. So here are the TPMS kits. I took 5 in total, including the Symphony. You can see it's from the JK Tyres. And if I say about the manufacturing date, it's 25/9/23 September. And the print, you can see it's 1799. And I repeat it again, it's a lot cheaper and also a lot lesser than a movie ticket. Yes, it's right, movie ticket. Now I'm at JK authorized dealer in Hyderabad. And here you can see my vehicle. The work is not yet started. And I have gone for balancing along with this. So it's recommended. So here you can see this is the warehouse and they have numerous TPMS kits. And they are the authorized dealer of JK Tyres. So you can come and definitely have one. And they are the distributors of Michelin, Goodyear, Yokohama, etc. So you definitely, if you are in need of tires, they give for wholesale rates and it's a lot cheaper than other tire distributors in the city. So now I'm going for my TPMS Fitment. Let's go guys. The sensor will be looking this way. Okay. This is my way. I'm really happy with your service.
Thank you so much.
What is about आप TPMS जो है कौन सा यूज कर रहे हैं? कौन सा सप्लाई करते हैं आप?
JK का.
JK का. And what is the cost you are having?
JK per piece 300 है.
See, repeat it.
Per piece 300 है. But if you want to get it balanced, which we recommend, but थोड़े लोग क्या करते हैं balancing नहीं कराते, तो balancing का 100 rupees per tire है.
So 300 plus 100, 400 per tire. And what about the installation?
Installation, activation, everything is included.
Installation, everything is included in 400. 100 is for balancing and 300 for the piece, TPMS piece. And recommended temperature क्या है? Normally आप जो करते हैं बाकी सारे temperature
35 रखते हैं सर.
35.
Because of Indian roads क्या है, पहली बात तो कंज्यूमर जो हमें कभी कोई भी हवा फैक्टर नहीं करता कि हर हफ्ता चेंज कराओ मैं. तो recommended आपकी गाड़ी पे लेबल रहता है, उस पे रहेगा 32 in the front, 33 in the back. ऐसा रहता है वो 25.
What about the delay for the sensor? How much delay it would be? Suppose if you want to check the time, what is the delay?
तो if it is a rapid increase or decrease in it, तो instant आ जाएगा आपके ऐप पे या जो आपके डैशबोर्ड पे Android Auto पे. But if there is a 1 या 2 point decrease increase, तो every 40 to 50 seconds एक tick based है.
Alright. So maximum if I get below, if it get close to 30, I mean 5.
Plus or minus 5.
Then I have to check the time.
You get an alarm yourself.
Okay.
Also for the temperature, you get an alarm. कि either you have to slow down or you know stop. क्योंकि high temperature से क्या है, पहली बार there is a risk of accidents.
Definitely.
And there is a risk of a tire wearing out a lot more faster.
And where is this located?
My showroom is located at Domalguda, near Sadharam High School.
Sadharam High School, Hyderabad, Domalguda, behind Himayatnagar. And you can exactly say Liberty Circle.
Liberty Circle.
Yes, Liberty Circle. Fine, yes, I'm really satisfied with it. And also, thank you for the installation and also you helping in Android Auto. And you have to install a separate app. Don't install the app from the Play Store. It will not be synced to the Android Auto. You have to install a separate app. Actually, he has provided me that APK link. And I'm using Android, so I'm talking about Android Auto. Fine, guys. And also the balancing. He's having balancing, wheel alignment. And they are actually distributors of each and every tire. And mine, I mean branded tires. This is JK solely service center, and they are authorized dealers, and they have a godown beside.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Polo, British, JK, Yokohama, Goodyear, every other company.
So if you are a Hyderabadi or Sikanabadi or Telangana, please do visit this place. And coming to this person, he has really given me a very good service. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Aapka naam? Mohammad Reyes. And yourself?
Hers.
Her. And ADHI Tires? It's your, I mean...
So that's my dad's firm's name for the last 60 years around.
Alright.
So,
Fine, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
So, now we'll take the payment.
100%.
So, once again I'm telling, it's only 300 per piece plus 100 rupees for the balancing. So, 400 per tire, you can say. And I have gone for Stepney also. I took 5, what is this, TPMS. And they are having numerous TPMS. Please do visit this place. Yeah, here is Android Auto. And I recommend not to install the Smarty Tyre app from Play Store because it won't be synced to Android Auto. And I am providing the same in the link. And once I open the Smarty Tyre app, you can see all my wheels, temperature and the tire pressure in PSI. And I've already driven around 25 kilometers. So there is an increase in temperature and pressure also. And coming to the spare wheel, I took 5 in total, I told you. So here is the spare wheel. And on the spare wheel, I set PSI at around 38 because in longer duration, the tire pressure would be reducing. And now you can see there is an increase in tire pressure as well as the temperature because I have driven around 25 kilometers. So always remember to inflate your tires in cold temperature. And if you have plans of longer runs like 1000 kilometers, 500 kilometers, then remember to inflate around 30-32 because due to the friction and also the temperature of the track and due to the usage of this brakes and etc., your tire gets warmer, so the pressure gets increased inside the tire. So guys, this is my TPMS from JK Tires. Thank you.